Hello, welcome back everyone. Nice to see you here again at ESB English. My name's Ted and we're studying subtraction. That's right, today's topic is subtraction signs. Subtraction signs. Let's take a look at our 5 key sentences. Are you ready? Here's number 1. The minus sign tells you to subtract. The minus sign tells you to subtract. Sentence 2. You can subtract a lower number from a higher number. You can subtract a lower number from a higher number. Sentence 3. Subtract first and find the difference. Subtract first and find the difference. Sentence 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. And our last sentence today, use addition to check if the subtraction is correct. Use addition to check if the subtraction is correct. Okay, great. Those are our 5 sentences for today's lesson. Now it's time to go to the board and learn more about them. Okay, we're looking at subtraction and we're looking at subtraction signs. Now, remember the minus sign here is the sign we use when we subtract. Minus sign. Let's take a look at 2 ways to subtract here. Let's take 2 numbers, 5 and 4. Now, are these numbers the same? No. 5 and 4 are different. Very good. Not the same, different. So we must subtract. We must find the difference. Remember that you subtract a lower number from a higher number. 4 is less than 5. We subtract 4 from 5. So we use a minus sign. Minus. There we go. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. This is a subtraction problem. 5 minus 4 equals. Now we have the difference. 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. So you subtract 4 from 5 and you find the difference, the answer, which is 1. Notice we can write it this way or we can write it this way. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Bigger number? Lower number. Bigger number? Lower number. Difference? Difference. The answer is the difference. Now, what if we make a mistake? What if we make a mistake here? How can we check? How can we check to see if it is correct? Do you remember that? Before we learned the word correct. That means right. Is this correct? Is this right? We can check by using addition. The answer is 1. We go backwards. 1 plus 4 equals 5. You see? So you can actually use addition to check if the subtraction is correct, if it's right. And it is. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Therefore, 5 minus 4 equals 1. We're correct. We got the answer right. Okay, good work everyone. Before we end today's lesson, let's quickly review what we've learned. We learned about the minus sign. The minus sign tells us to subtract. 5 minus 4 equals 1. We've also learned that we must subtract a lower number from a higher number. 5 minus 4 equals 1. And we learned that we can check our subtraction to see if it's right. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. We can use addition to check if the subtraction answer is correct. Lots of things today and lots more next time. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.